Hi Jammers, my name is Fuzzy Howling Wolfie, but you can just call me Fuzzy. I am doing my first ever Animal Jam video, and I've been thinking of what to do for it for a while, and I've decided to do a mail time video. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. that was funny. That was actually. Ooh, that's a nice color. You know, I really like items that are purple or dark blue. I wonder what this one is. Saves me having to go to Crystal Sands every time. I know I can just get it in the game tab, but whatever. That's the third one I've got this week. I already have that one, and I think this is ooh, a Jamaladay scarf. That's really nice. Yeah, that's the last one. So anyway, I know that was kind of a short video because I couldn't really get that. Not many people would be kind enough to send me one. But anyway, Jammers, goodbye.